Hello, Creative Crafty Lovely, and welcome to my channel. If you're a new subscriber or returning subscriber, I am so delighted that you are here. Today's video is a little bit different. I am going to be reviewing this glue here, and it is all craft glue. And I have been in contact with Kathy and Tracy, who are co-owners of this company. I did go ahead and pull it out of the package, and I did want to show you that this is what the tip looks like, and I did apply it to some paper. That way you can see the way it is applied, and there we go. And so it does have more of a little fine tip to it, and it doesn't like gush out, so I do like that. And you do have some control because you do kind of have to squeeze a little bit. And on the instructions it says that if you want to secure something, it takes 10 to 20 seconds. Yes, 10 to 20 seconds. So there it is on the package. But if you want a full cure, it is 24 hours. I have already tried a couple of different materials just so that I can show you. So let me set that there. And so you could see how they did. And I did let these dry for 24 hours. So there's this organza ribbon, and it does hold pretty good. As you can see, I'm tugging it. I'm not tugging on it really hard, but it has a really good hold to that. And then I also tried some vinyl, and I tried it in two different, I tried the back of it, like on this right here, it is back to back. And again, it is pretty secure on there, and it does better than hot glue. And then here is the vinyl side to side, and again, I am tugging on it, but I am not pulling it at full force because I do like the bond that it has on there. And so as you can see, it does have these two materials. Well, like I said, this is facing the face to face, and then this is facing like the back to back. So that is those. And then this right here is one of those poly bags, and I just cut a little piece of it. And this is pretty strong. So look at that. So this is pretty strong. It is like one of these bags right here. So I just took a little piece from this bag, and this did really great as far as bonding. And then I also tried some other fabric, and you can see right there, and like I said, all of these have already cured for 24 hours. And so there is, you can see the line through the fabric on both sides, but it does hold pretty good. Now, I have not tried sewing with it, and I'm not tugging hard because, you know, I'm sure that if I do tug hard, it will come apart. But I have not tried to sew over it, and I don't think that I will because, again, this is some pretty good bond. And then not the last one, sorry about that. And then this right here happens to be a glass marble on the bottom, and this is like an acrylic piece. This is some of those like table scatters. Let me see if I can find them. Yeah, whoops. So it's some of these like table scatters, and these are like plastic. But it is you know, fused against some glass, and I'm trying to see if you can get, here's a really good close-up of it. It is a little murky, but this is pretty strong. I really like the way this does hold. And then the last one that I did is, so if you remember a while back, I made some of these for the challenge a couple of the ladies were hosting, and it was you know, to bling out your flip-flops. And the flowers that I had on here did not stick very well, so I had to take them apart. But I did put a little bit of a what is this, a little gemmy, and I did try putting it here at the tip right here, but it didn't hold very good. And I think part of it had to do is because it was kind of curving. But when I did apply it here, it has done a pretty good job, and that's not coming off. So I feel more secure if I did take these to the beach versus the other flowers that I did have on here, and they, like I said, they didn't hold. So I will be reapplying the flowers on here with this glue. So this is my review, and I do want to say that I had a little bit of glue here and here, and if you ever dealt with crazy glue, that's kind of what it felt like, and it got really hard. But I just put a little bit of this right here, which is some nail polish remover on a Q-tip, and that came right off. So that way you don't have to have that uncomfortableness there. And I learned about this glue glue from Christian, and here on YouTube she is Christian's Crafty Adventures, as well as Instagram. She had posted it on her Instagram account. She had used it for the erasers that she makes charms out of. By the way, I did want to show one other thing, is that you'll see this flower in another in a share project, but I do want to mention that I did put this up against paper, and this is just a little gem, and this worked out really great because it, like I said, this only took about 10 to 20 seconds to adhere, and so that worked out really, really great. I want to thank Kathy and Tracy for letting me review this glue, and I will definitely be purchasing more in the future. If you would like to try out this glue for yourself, I do have a 10% discount code down in the description below, as well as their website. So hop on over and get some for yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you find happy little moments throughout your day. Bye!